pink color, black color, brown color, orange color, yellow color, light pink color, sky blue color, red color, blue color, purple color, dark green color, and last we open light green color. Kids, now you draw alphabets, and first you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E. The alphabets of E. E for elephant. F for fish. G for cat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. It's now you draw N. And N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V. V for van. It's now you draw W. W for wheel. X for telephone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's now you draw 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, and last you draw 10. Purple color, black color, red color, pink color, orange color, brown color, light green color, blue color, light pink color, yellow color, green color, and sky blue color. So kids, now you draw 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Kids, now you draw 11. 11, 12, 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15. 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19, 19, 20, 21, 22. Kids, now you draw 23, 23, 24, 25. Kids, now you draw 26, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Sky blue color, dark green color, blue color, black color, pink color, red color, light green color, orange color, light pink color, purple color, yellow color, and last we open brown color. So kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. Kids, now you draw H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. Kids, now you draw K. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And lastly, you draw Z for zebra. So, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.